Morning class. In today's lesson, we'll be learning about WBCs, also known as white blood cells. It has another name that is known as leukocytes, leukocytes, leukocytes. Let us understand the characteristics of WBCs. First, irregular in shape, has a nucleus. Where it is produced in bone marrow and lymph nodes. Lifespan is for 2 weeks. They are colorless and circulates throughout the body. They are less in numbers as compared to RBCs. The WBCs are the defenders of our body. It protects us from germs, infections, and harmful bacteria and viruses. The white portion that you can see is WBCs. The red one are RBCs. The main function of WBCs is to fight against diseases and germs. They have another name that is the soldiers of the body. It fights in 2 ways. First one is by engulfing the germs and destroying it, and that process is known as phagocytosis. Once again, to engulf, as you can see, it will devour it, engulf it, and destroy it. Next, it also helps in producing antibodies. So WBCs will produce antibodies, germs will produce antigens. So antibodies will destroy the antigen. Now, as you can see this, the moving and the small portion that you can see, the black one, that is the germ, bacteria, virus. Now see, the WBC is trying to chase the germ or virus or bacteria, and it will try to engulf that germ, virus, and this process is also known as phagocytosis. As you can see, so many of these are moving, so they are WBCs. When any parasites try to enter our body, the WBCs become active, alert, and will start attacking the parasite or any germs that are present inside. So you can see the minute portion are the WBCs, and over here you can see the WBC is trying to engulf the parasite that is present inside the body. Next, now important features. Now when a mosquito bites, there's a swelling. This swelling indicates that WBCs have reached the site where the mosquito has bitten, and it has clustered and has healed the injury. The green portion, the blue portion, as you can see, are WBCs. and the white portion like a star. You can see that they are the blood platelets. Now WBC's types, they are of two types. One is granular, having granular cytoplasm, and the next one is non-granular, having no granules. So they are of granulocytes and agranulocytes. So the red portion, they are known as granulocytes. They are of three types, that is neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. And agranulocytes, that is the blue portion, there are two types, that is lymphocytes and monocytes. These are the shapes and structure of different WBCs. Next we have is the blood platelets. Another name for blood platelets is also known as thrombocytes. They are colorless, spherical or irregular shaped tiny cell fragments found in bone marrow, smaller than WBC cells.